Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on Cuphead PC. To begin, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer using a reliable USB cable, or pair it via a Bluetooth adapter if your PC supports the connection. This physical link is the crucial first step for setting everything up correctly. Then, open your Steam application. It is vital for recognizing and configuring your controller. Confirm Steam is fully updated before moving forward to ensure smooth operation. Once your controller is connected and Steam is open, navigate to Steam's Big Picture mode. You can access this by clicking the icon in the top right corner of the Steam client, which resembles a controller. Big Picture mode offers a full-screen, controller-friendly interface where you can easily manage settings. Here, you should be able to see that your PlayStation 4 controller is recognized and ready for configuration within the system, ensuring proper detection. Inside Big Picture mode, locate the Settings menu, typically represented by a cogwheel icon. From there, select Controller Settings to access a dedicated panel for managing all connected gamepads. Within these settings, find and enable the PlayStation Configuration Support option. This specific setting allows Steam to correctly interpret and map your PlayStation 4 controller's inputs, ensuring it functions perfectly in Cuphead. It is a key step for seamless gameplay and responsiveness. If Cuphead is not already in your Steam library as a purchase game, you will need to add it as a non-Steam game. To do this, exit Big Picture mode temporarily. Go to the bottom left of your standard Steam client and click Add a Game, then add a non-Steam game. Browse for Cuphead's executable file and add it. This step ensures Steam's controller configuration is applied when you launch Cuphead, allowing your PlayStation 4 controller to function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.